Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is a little bit different type of video. We are doing a tier list. Zombies Wonder Weapon tier list. First up, the baby gun. This is first off the criteria. This is just how much I like the weapon. Just basically that. Just how much I like it. And the baby gun, it's cool. It's kind of fun to use, but I'm gonna have to give it a C. It's Black Ops. It's Black Ops 4 F tier. This gun comes from Black Ops 4. No one plays Black Ops 4 F tier. Everyone likes this gun. This gun's a wonder weapon. I'm stupid. Why did I say that? This gun's infinite damage, but it's not my favorite infinite damage wonder weapon. I'm gonna put it B. The Blundergat, it's another C tier. This, I never used it. No. Hold on. I never used. Add row below. Never used. F. So we got F, and then we got this tier. I don't know tier. What is that? Oh, it's another Black Ops 4 gun. I don't know what this is. I can't tell because of this JPEG. Never used. Never used. Never used. Never bought the DLC. Used on custom maps. A tier. What is that? I can't tell. The Paralyzer. It's another B tier. But the Ray Gun Mark II is our first S tier. Because I like the Ray Gun Mark II. Ray Gun Mark II is another solid A. The Ray Gun Gun is an A tier. The Scavenger is another S tier. Quicker F. Staffs go in. We're gonna go to this lightning. The lightning staff's gonna get S. Ice staff's gonna get A. Wind staff gets D. Jet gun F. Oh, the thunder gun B tier. VR11 F. Never used. S. S. And C. So this is my final Wonder Weapon tier list.